An Egyptian court is set to give the final verdict in former President Mohamed Morsi's Qatar espionage trial. Egypt's army-backed authorities have accused Morsi and 10 co-defendants of spying for Qatar and leaking classified documents to the small Gulf state during his single year as president. Morsi, Egypt's first democratically elected leader, was ousted in a 2013 military coup following protests against his presidency. He has since been slapped with life in prison and death sentences for conspiring against Egypt with the Palestinian group Hamas and Lebanon's Hezbollah group, and also for breaking out of jail in 2011. Since Morsi's ouster and imprisonment, Egyptian authorities have cracked down on his Muslim Brotherhood group. Right, we're now joined live in Cairo by CCTV's Adel Marouki with more on this. Adel, just give us the latest on this court decision. Have they made a decision as yet?
Yes, the court has decided to recommend 6 death penalties for some of the 10 other defendants than the former President Mohamed Morsi. It's a procedural session. When the court sees fit a death penalty that is suitable for the verdict, the judge must get the opinion of the Grand Mufti, which is the biggest Islamic cleric appointed by the government, to give his opinion on whether the Islamic laws would approve the death penalty in that condition or not. So 6 of the 10 defendants have received this death penalty recommendation, but the former President Mohamed Morsi did not get this, which means that when the court is held once again on the 17th of May, Mohamed Morsi will not get a death penalty. He will most probably get a life for sentence or any lesser conviction or any lesser sentences for him. So that's basically the judge's decision today. So that's why he did not announce the verdict for the former president and the 4 other defendants, because they will get lesser sentence, and according to the Egyptian law, the judge must announce the entire verdict for all defendants at the same session. So right now, he's waiting for the opinion of the Grand Mufti.
All right, we'll leave it there. Thanks very much for that update. Adel Al-Marouki live for us in Cairo.